Am I bugging? Or are these two separate colors? Boom. And boom. 3 extra large that are a different shade of black. One of the extra large has an oil stain, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna contact Alpha Broder tomorrow, figure out what we can do about these. Luckily, I went through every single one today and checked them for quality, that we had the correct number for each size, and made sure that they are up to Mule standards. Today is Trek Tuesday, and I also wanted to pass along a message about taking care of your mental health. One tip for taking care of your mental health today on Trek Tuesday is to sit with it. And what that means is when you're feeling down, or you're feeling sad, or you're feeling an emotion, I want you guys to sit with that feeling and sit with that emotion. Really go through the process and go through what that feels like and be in that emotion for that time being, and allow that emotion and that feeling to pass.
Realign with your vision. Feel it, and then realign with the vision and keep moving forward.
So, all in all, I want you guys to sit in that feeling, and then I want you to realign with your vision, and realign with your purpose, and realign with your passion, and get right back on track. Take that moment, sit down, let it pass, and then get right back on our journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this with someone who's been going through some troubles with mental health or could need a pick-me-up. I appreciate you. Make sure you win from within today, because all we have is this moment and all we have is the now.